makaka-take out steam from the earth, you need to have a healthy underground. And you can only have a healthy underground if you have trees, you have enough water, di ba? So if you don't plant trees and put back the water by taking out the steam and still taking out the steam, mawawala yung steam. So that's why our geothermal plants have to keep on replanting and put back water. Kasi cyclical siya, umiikot-ikot lang yung the nature, ano. So that's what I mean na it's self-sustaining in a sense, pero EDC or any of our geothermal has to protect nature in order for them to produce power. That there are geothermal plants. Ano sila, talagang they're very dedicated in making sure that there's reforestation and protected siya. Kaya ang area nila yan, mga geothermal reserves yan, kaya protected talaga siya sa ano. So I think those are good pa naman ang areas.